I led the way, no? Actually, sa lahat ng pagsusubok, ipinanganak ko siyang butas ang puso. Pero, because of God's will, napa-open ako siya sa Asian Hospital, doon sa Alabang. So, at last, kumbaga sa kan, binigay din ng Panginoon ng hiling ko nga kung para talaga siya sa akin. Ibibigay niya. So, at least natutuwa ako. So, ngayon ay okay na siya. Wala nang butas yung kanyang puso. So, yan ay naisishare ko kasi, kumbaga sa kwan, ang lahat, i-ano natin sa kanya, and we hope everything will go on smoothly. Thank you. Hindi ako magtatagal kasi may appointment ako ng 6 o'clock. At least, nakita ko na kayong lahat ay masaya. So, okay lang kahit na hindi ko matatapos, ha? At least, I promise I will come. So, ito ako. I spared a time. Kahit na mayroon akong aatinan kanina, sinabi ko hindi pwede kasi nauna na yun. Okay? Talagang, inano ko sila kasi kako, minsan lang mangyari na after 28 years. Kasi I left 1976, no? So, 28 na. Kaya sabi ko, hindi ko pwede i-turn down kayo, mabata pa kayo. Sabi ko doon sa mga nangungumida sa akin. Okay, thank you very much. And long live yung mga aking mga estudyante. Okay? Thank you very much. Ulot mo lang to.
Ulot. Ang asawa ko si Josie Mangario, taga Chaong. Nangat ko sa Korea. Meron kaming dalawang anak. Ito nga si Resi, saka si J.R. Anjay, junior ko. Tutuwa ako yung hindi ko nagawa ng nung high school. Bumawi ako sa mga anak ko.
Honor student kasi yung mga anak niya.
Bumawi. Ayun lang. Thank you.
Aida, Hazel. This is my husband, Mr. Pedro Salazar, from Tarlac. I have 3 kids. This is my kapanganay ko, si Sarah, 18 years old. Then si Jared, si Jaser. My husband recently assigned in Mercury Drug as Assistant Branch Manager, Mercury Drug Ilmus. Ako naman sa Mercury Drug Cavite as General Clerk 2. Itong panganay ko, incoming second year college. Taking up nursing, bago to first year college. Pa siya ng pharmacy sa sentro. Wala na, yun lang. Okay, thank you, guys. Hazel! Ito ang isa sa mga tropang Jeprox na siya na lang yata nandito. Natatandaan niyo pa ba ang tropang Jeprox? Hello, good afternoon. This is my husband, si Rom, from Makati. Actually, from Pangasinan siya. Yung parents niya. These are our children, si Rosel, magka-first year high school, and si Josh, bali grade 3. Okay. Belenita. Ana Belenita. Hello, good afternoon to everybody. With me this afternoon are my 3 kids. Actually, 4 yan eh. Ibang sa bahay. Ito ang eldest ko, si Beverly. She's 22. Beverly Joy Ann Orbadge, 22 years old. Yung second child ko is 19 years old. He's a third-year college student of Mapua Institute of Technology taking computer engineering. Kaya lang wala siya ngayon dahil may ginagawa silang project ngayon. Yung third child ko, ito si Jessica. She's 13. At yung youngest ko, ito si Joshua. He is 9 years old. Yung husband ko ay naiwan sa bahay, taga-Saeng, taga-Laba, naiwan na. Si June, he's from Binyan, Laguna, kaya kami ngayon, nakatira kami ngayon sa Binyan, Laguna. Thank you very much. Batch 79 accumulated a very small amount from the contribution that we gave. Actually, the big amount came from our classmates from abroad. There will be from the money that we got
from the contributions of our classmates here and our classmates abroad. Kasama na lahat ng ginastos dito, meron pa rin natirang pera. At from there, bumili kami ng something to give the school. So, may we call on Lamberto de Leon to do the honors of turning over our donation to the school to our present principal, Mrs. Emilia Habitan Faustino.
Okay, in behalf of Class 79, it's an early Christmas gift.
Dalawa yan, ma'am. Actually, yung tinanong namin yung mga anak ng mga kaklase namin na nandito. Kung anong wala kayo. Projector screen? Screen projector.
Yes.
No. What's that? Yes. So, because another batch donated an overhead projector. And what we do not have now is the screen. Now I don't only have one, I have two. This is good. Thank you. Thank you. Marunong kayong mag-partner. Yan ang gusto ko sa batch ninyo. Thank you. In behalf of St. Mary Magdalene School and all our students and the teachers who are there now with us, we say thank you to your batch. This is batch 79. Konti lang ha, may sasabihan ako. Sabi ko, when I taught first year I taught in St. Mary, that was in 1973. I taught kinder and grade 6 and you were grade 5. I really wanted to handle your class but I was not given the chance. It was Miss Samaniego then who taught you, who handled your music and PE. I wanted to teach that because I wanted to be in your class, but Dr. Nicolas thought otherwise. And then when I was given the chance to teach, to leave kindergarten and go up to join the intermediate teachers, I was able to teach grade 5 and you were already grade 6. So I missed you twice. Pero hindi kayo nakalusot sa observation ko. I knew your batch, the batch of Evelyn Haminal and all you members of that batch. Kung tatanungin niyo ako ngayon, marami na silang dumaan sa St. Mary. But your elementary batch is the best. You know, for once, you can be left inside the classroom without the teachers noticing that there is no teacher inside. You were a batch of disciplined students. And again, meron pa kayong pangalawang hindi ko makakalimutan. Batch nyo din yung karamihan, majority of you did not leave St. Mary Magdalene School. Many of you stayed. And that was in 79. I really missed your batch, pero nakita ko kayong lumaki. At natutuwa ako at palagi kong pinagmamalaki. You know, if I'm to choose from among the batches that I've seen and passed my way, siguro hindi mauubos yung 10 daliri ko. And definitely, you'll be my number 1. Kahit na hindi ko kayo naturuan. Nakita ko yung high school batch ninyo at kahit na sa malayo ko lang kayo tinitignan, alam kong nag-enjoy kayo kasama yung bawat isa. At bakit ba nagre-reunion? Para makita nyo kung sino na yung may asawa, para makita nyo kung ilan na yung anak, para makita nyo kung meron ng dobleng baba, para makita nyo kung sino na yung sexier, o sino na yung tumaba. Well, for whatever reasons, it is always nice to see familiar faces, old faces, renew acquaintances, and enjoy the company of each other. Siguro, kung yun din lang ang dahilan kung bakit nagre-reunion, siguro dapat lang. Because seeing each other and feeling the warmth that you once experienced would always make you feel like you're at home. Because sabi nga nila, home is where your heart is. And where your heart is with these people that you've stayed for 10, 11, 4 years. Kaya kahit na yung iba sa inyo lumayo na, napalayo na, ginusto nyo pa rin bumalik. And St. Mary Magdalene School, your second home, will always be happy to welcome you anytime you feel like coming back to your second home and see what we have there now. Surely, I am happy to know that nandito yung mga ilang parents natin. At honor students ang mga anak. Ha? Ang mga anak ni Liz, ni Arnie. Hindi nyo po pwedeng tawaran. Definitely, si Vivian will always be close to my heart. Yan. Yan, si Vivian. At yung lahat, ang aking kinakapatid na si Belen, dahil ang nanay niya ay ninang ko sa kasal. Ang kapatid niya ay ang aking number 1. You may be my number 1 class, but my number 1 student is Maria Arquisa. As a junior, yun yung number 1 ko. Very close to me. But, nawala na yung tinurn over niyo sa akin. Surely, matutuwa yung mga bata, lalong-lalo na yung mga teachers, at sa susunod na makaisip kayo mag-reunion. You may and may not have this thing to turn over. But, you have it, and I'm very happy. Salamat po. Ito lang ba itong nakasabi ko, ha? Good afternoon. Okay. Well, this is my daughter, Myrene. Pasensya na, dalawa lang ang anak ko. Yung isa nasa bahay, tsaka lalaki. Wala akong masabi. Wala na siya, enjoy lang ako at nakita ko kanyang lahat. Masaya ako at thank you very much at naalala niyo rin ako kahit papano. Thank you.
Good afternoon sa mga classmates ko at sa mga former teachers. Mrs. ko si Grace, taga Bulacan. Pangalan ko si Jap Jap. Actually, ang pangalan niya Elmer Joseph, pero ang palayo ay Jap Jap kasi gawa sa Japan. Ang pangalawa, Philip Ruiz. Gawa lang dito sa Pilipinas. Ito si Gabriel Marie.
Saan gawa yan?
Gagawin ng isa dito sa Marulas. Mag-a-apply kayo naman para maging artista. So, first time ko mapasama sa reunion. So, tutuwa ako at mga buwan mo pala ang last.
Good afternoon. My eldest daughter, si Joanne. Ito ay anak ni Joanne. Para hindi kayo mabigla. Si Anton, 3 years old na yan. Ang hindi namin kasama, yung sumunod, si Carmela. Nag-OJT ngayon doon sa Island Cove.
Mercy, yung anak ko nag-OJT, ikaw nandito. Tapos si Carlos, si Kaloy. At isinama namin ang anak ni Glo. So kung namimiss niyo si Glo, Victa. Ito ang anak niya, si Mama, si Mark. Mark Paulo. Mama kasi tawag namin sa kanya. Pero yung brother niya, si Nico, wala ngayon kasi may church activity. So, I'm sure matutuwa si Glo pag pinadala natin kasi ang bilin niya, isama ko siya at nang makita ang kailangan natin.